Welcome to Jessie's Sweet Kitchen. Today I will be showing you how I make this my delicious vegetable pie. So I'll be taking you through my ingredients, showing you step by step. So viewers, as you can see, it's two different way I make it. So this, you can do it this way too. So viewers, come with me and let's get started. So let me take you to my ingredient that I will be using to prepare the vegetable, the sauce that I will put on top of the pie. So I have my spinach, I have my vezza, what Italian called vezza, savoy, cabbage. Let me say cabbage, the green ones. I have my yellow bell pepper. I have some carrots that I have diced. I have this is ginger, garlic, and onions. Here I have my porro. What Italian call it porro, but in English it's leek. Maybe like that, leek. So here I have some salt to taste and seasoning cube. Here I have tomatoes. Here I have ricotta cheese. Italian call it ricotta. It's made from whole milk. So in here I have my extra virgin oil that I will be using. My sausage that I have diced, sliced, prefer size. Here I have the Swiss cheese that I have grated, and parmesan that I have grated. Here I have some mozzarella that I will be using later. So I have my pot. I will put my gas. So add my oil. Not too much, just like 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Set this aside. So what we will do, I will be putting my diced onion, ginger, and garlic to it. Stir a little bit. Allow it to simmer like 1 minute. So as you can see, after 1 minute, I will be putting my tomatoes. Stir a little bit. Cover it, allow it to simmer for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, stir together. It's time for us to add our veggies. Stir together. You can use any veggies of your choice. So can add a half cup of water to it. Give it a good stir. Allow it to cook for at least 4 to 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, it's time for us to add our ricotta cheese. Mix together. I will be adding 200 ml of water. Add some salt and seasoning cube for extra flavor. Cover it and allow it to cook for additional 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, as you can see, it's ready. So turn it off and allow it to cool. I will be transferring it into another plate so that it will cool down very fast. So as you can see, here is my dough pie. So first of all, I will be putting my vegetable that I have prepared. So first of all, I'm putting a little bit of mozzarella. It's a little bit watering. Then my Swiss cheese, a little bit like this. And I'll add my sausage. And I'll add my parmesan. This around like this. Then I will put it into my oven, my preheated oven, for at least 10 to 15 minutes. So this one is the second one that I will be doing. So you can do it this way or the other way. You can put the sausage like this, or you can do it the way I make it before. After the mozzarella and Swiss cheese, you can put the sausage. So you can do it both ways. So put mozzarella on top. Then the Swiss cheese. And add your parmesan. Bake it for 10 to 15 minutes. So viewers, as you can see, the two type, you can make it this way, as you can see, this one that the sausage is out, or you can make it this way. It's your choice. So let's give it a taste. So as you can see, this is the two. Let's give it a taste. You can see the vegetable inside. Very delicious. You can see it. This is the way I make my children to eat vegetable. So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, share it to your friends and family, and give it a like. Press all bell notification so that anytime I upload a new video like this, you'll be first to be notified. And follow me on my other social media platforms in the description box down below. Thank you for watching. God bless you. See you in my next episode. Bye bye.